Brazilian aerospace giant Embraer announced on August 2, 2025, its plans to establish a robust industrial partnership with Lithuania, marking a significant step in the company's strategic European expansion. This move follows Lithuania's official selection of Embraer's C390 Millennium as its new multi-role military transport aircraft. Recently, senior Embraer representatives visited Lithuania to meet with government agencies and defense sector players, laying the groundwork for localized support infrastructure and long-term operational collaboration. The C390 Millennium stands out as a multifunctional tactical airlifter capable of carrying up to 26 tons of cargo. It performs a variety of missions including aerial refueling, medical evacuation, paratrooper deployment, and operations from semi-prepared airstrips. Embraer's Defense and Security Division leverages this platform alongside its portfolio of advanced systems, including the A-29 Super Tucano light attack aircraft and sophisticated ISR, intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance technologies. With over 60 military operators worldwide, including NATO allies and key U.S. partners, Embraer has carved out a vital role in transatlantic defense cooperation. This partnership underscores Embraer's commitment not only to supplying the C390 Millennium but also to supporting Lithuania's aspiration to develop sovereign defense manufacturing and maintenance capabilities. Both the Lithuanian Ministry of Defense and the Ministry of Economy and Innovation actively back this initiative, highlighting a cross-ministerial effort to cultivate a homegrown defense industrial base. Key areas of prospective cooperation include maintenance, repair and overhaul, MRO, systems engineering, software development, and component production. The C390 Millennium is designed to replace older medium-lift transport aircraft like the venerable C-130 Hercules. Powered by two International Aero engines V2500 E5 turbofans generating 31,330 pounds of thrust each, the aircraft can cruise at Mach 0.8 with a maximum range of 2,500 nautical miles while carrying a 23-ton payload. It operates up to 36,000 feet altitude and requires runways as short as 1,200 meters, including rough or semi-prepared surfaces. The plane features a modern glass cockpit with 5 multifunction LCDs, dual mission computers, and a Rockwell Collins avionics suite that enables advanced navigation and low-level flight capabilities essential in contested environments. The spacious cargo bay accommodates NATO standard 463L pallets and can carry a wide variety of equipment such as light armored vehicles, helicopters, artillery, or up to 80 troops fully equipped. The C390 supports both rear ramp and side door loading, enabling simultaneous deployment of personnel and cargo, and is certified for aerial delivery of loads up to 19 tons. It can also perform air-to-air refueling either by using a removable probe or by converting into a tanker with Cobham underwing pods. Enhanced survivability features include ballistic armor in critical zones, self-sealing fuel tanks, redundant systems, and compatibility with self-defense electronic warfare systems. This development carries broad implications for NATO's defense industrial landscape, especially in Eastern Europe. Lithuania's efforts to expand local defense production with Embraer's assistance reduce reliance on external logistics and strengthen allied supply chain resilience amid geopolitical tensions. Given Embraer's increasing interoperability with U.S. defense standards and suppliers, this collaboration could pave the way for future transatlantic co-manufacturing projects and joint sustainment efforts under NATO's logistics frameworks. Moreover, it supports U.S. strategic interests by bolstering allied defense autonomy on NATO's vulnerable eastern flank. Potential future cooperation may involve Lithuanian production or assembly of C390 subcomponents, including hydraulic and electrical units, avionics racks, and cargo handling systems, alongside software solutions for mission planning and fleet management. The country's precision engineering and technology sectors might also contribute to developing secure communication systems and modular mission kits tailored for C390 variants. Success in these areas could position Lithuania as a key hub for MRO and spare parts distribution serving northern and eastern European C390 operators. Lithuania's location, bordering Belarus and Russia's Kaliningrad enclave, has made it a critical element in NATO's eastern deterrence posture, especially since Russia's 2014 annexation of Crimea. As part of the enhanced forward presence and with ongoing military modernization and increased defense budgets, Lithuania plays a vital role in regional security. Strengthening industrial cooperation with Embraer aligns with the country's broader goal to evolve from a defense equipment consumer into an active contributor. At a time of heightened geopolitical friction and hybrid threats in the Baltic, this strategic alliance represents a crucial step in enhancing NATO's collective defense resilience.